Hello everybody, welcome to the Don Amott Showground here in Hilton, Derby. My name's Tom, I'm part of the sales team here. I'm super excited today to show you around one of our brand new 2024 model Auto Trail XL 690L. Okay, so it's 6.9 metres in length. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm just going to be showing you around some of the bits and features. So it's on a Ford chassis, as you can see, big Ford sign there. It's the 170 brake horsepower. Automatic box as well. As we go around this side, you can see lovely black alloys to go with all the decals and stuff and the finish of it, which looks spot on, nice and shiny. If we move down this side, you've got like bits like your mains hookup point directly into the side there. You've got your fresh and wastewater drain offs, toilet sets on this side as well. All your inlets and outlets, so your water inlets just here. You've got an external shower point as well, so if you've got like a muddy dog or anything like that, barbecue, you can shower them off before you go inside, or if you need a water source outside. Under bench garage space just in there, so you've got like loads of storage to access underneath the seat, accessible from the inside and the out. Bike rack fitments just here. If you did want a bike rack, that just means you can just clip a bike rack onto them, so you don't need to drill or anything. Reversing camera at the top as well, give you a helping hand reversing the Auto Trail. I can show you in this side, look, so you can see, goes all the way to the other end, nice bit of space underneath there as well. Down this side you've got a cool thing, a little external barbecue point. So if you wanted a barbecue, you don't need to get your gas bolt in and out. You can just plug your gas barbecue straight into there and it will come off the gas bottles that are fitted. All right, you don't need to get them in and out. And you've got room for the two 6 kilogram gas bottles in there. External light above the door as well to help you see if it's getting dark on the outside. And then what we'll do now, we'll jump on the inside and tour you around and show you some bits in there. So it does travel 4. As you see, you've got the captain seats as well, which do spin round just there. And then if we look in the cab, you've got a few bits. So you've got your nice big screen, the Elegance screen, which you've got your Bluetooth and where your reversing camera will come on. Sat nav will be in there as well. Obviously, like I said, you've got the automatic gearbox, aircon, got your steering wheel controls and your cruise control just there as well. Wonderful, lots of storage, and you've got your cab lines at the front. Lovely. Smashing. So like I say, yeah, it does travel 4, but it does sleep 3. So you've got a double bed at the back, or 2 singles, and then this front does make into a little bit of a third bed as well. Okay, so the sleeps 3. Loads of storage at the top. In these, all the cupboards, all these are cupboards. You've got whale heating on this, and hot water, so it's a nice system to have, good system to use. For your heating and hot water. Really nice finish as well, with all the black inserts and black bits and grey and white. It really does make it look nice and modern. Storage all in your kitchen just there again, with your grey inserts and stuff just going down there. 3 burner gas hob, and then your oven and grill is just down below there as well. Jumping in your washroom. Not literally, but we'll just show you what's in there. So you've got your shower, and your toilet is just around the corner. Your shower curtain and stuff just there, move out of the way. So you can see that. And then nice mirror. Directly opposite that, we've got your fridge. So your fridge is a nice size, just there, look, so you can see that. It's a 12-volt fridge, so it runs off the battery. Really nice size fridge freezer. Loads more storage. You've got like wardrobe space just in here. Table storage is just this side as well, if you're wanting to put that up in the front, so it's like a little dinette. Yeah. And then loads more storage in the back just here. You've got a TV area on the roof as well. But yeah, all of them is just massive amount of storage, and more storage underneath these, so you can access these underneath them bits. And like I say, it does make into a big double bed as well, with all the cushions and infills which are in here. Wonderful. So this is going to be on our showground in the next 5 minutes when I move it there. So if you have enjoyed it, if you want to come down and see it, my name's Tom. I'll be happy to help to show you around our new XL.